Hello, everyone. My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. All right, let's get into it. So, this is going to be a very quick update on Bitcoin. Not much has happened since yesterday. We're still very bullish. We're still in an uptrend. We're still effectuating this W pattern that I've drawn out. And right now we're forming a bull flag, not a bull flag, a pennant rather, which we can see more clearly on a smaller time frame. And here we go. So here's this bull pennant, and here is the flagpole. It's a small one, but this is definitely a clear pattern. And so actually let's just superimpose this flag right there. Here we expect breakout any moment now, and that breakout should should put us in the 52,000 range. But we should obviously continue until we hit the target of this W pattern, which is from the neckline down here. So anywhere from 53.5 to 54,000. So that's what we're expecting from Bitcoin. Obviously, as we said, if you're subscribed to the channel, we're expecting Bitcoin to go all the way up to 57, 58 before correction. But we are in an uptrend. We're looking good. And again, for those of you not subscribed, Bitcoin has pretty much played out a series of bull flags. Here's this bull flag, boom, this consolidation in this heavy zone of resistance. We formed a bull flag right here. So if I remove this, you see another bull flag right there, right? So here's boom, bull flag. There we go through the resistance, and we have another mini one right there, right? So once you see an asset exhibit this much strength, these many signs of strength, it's clear that you're in an uptrend. It's clear that you're showing strength, right? And so you should count on things moving up. It's just a question of when are you going to correct, when are you going to meet resistance. And to see that, you want to zoom out, look left. So let's zoom out and do that. Okay, and we obviously have quite a bit of resistance once we get to this 53,770 level, right? We have a bunch of resistance here and a bunch of resistance here. So we do expect a bit of a slowing down of positive price action once we hit that. But nevertheless, as I said, we do anticipate Bitcoin will reach all the way up to 57, 58 before correcting down, finding support, probably forming another bull flag in this sort of range of resistance, and then moving up through it past the $58,000 mark. So that's Bitcoin for today. Hope that was helpful. Hope that was useful. If you find value in these updates, please like the video, subscribe, and share when appropriate. I'll see you